The wild never lets you off easy. Weather, mud, even the cold, all are testing you. But are you ready for the challenge? Trudave waterproof boots. Every step is steady. Mud, water, or rocks, Trudave keeps you grounded and dry. On the water, what's most important? Stability. Trudave deck boots. Engineered for grip on the toughest surfaces. Every Trudave boot is built for durability. Waterproof construction, rugged soles, and breathable linings keep you comfortable and protected, no matter the conditions. Rain, wind, or a full-on storm. Trudave waterproof pants keep you dry and moving forward, no matter what the weather throws at you. Snow, ice, even the deepest swamp, Trudave is your trusted companion to conquer nature's toughest challenges. Every adventure is a test of your limits. Trudave is with you, helping you overcome every obstacle and achieve every victory. Trudave. Gear up. Conquer every inch of the wild. Don't wait. Choose Trudave and let's go further. Gear up and start conquering the wild today.